Hi guys, welcome to 2022, and today we are bringing you to District 5, West Coast, the Blue Horizon. So this district is generally a very sought after district with very good schools around, like the Japanese schools, NUS, and of course good primary schools like the Chifa and Nanhua. But before we start the home tour, I thought of sharing with you a story, how I met this couple. So we met in 2015. Back then, they told me that they wanted to upgrade to a private condominium from their HDB. And we put the HDB onto the market, and we managed to cash out at 615,000. I thought that's a very good move because today the X value of that HDB is actually 544,000, even in this hot market. So right now they are ready to put their home onto the market for you, and I think you will love it. Alright, so as we approach the lift lobby, you will see that there are 3 lifts serving 6 units on each lift landing level. So I think that is one of the things that home buyers will look out for, because that will shorten your wait even if you stay at a very high floor. So today we are looking at a very rare layout, and follow me now, let me show you why. Come on. Alright, this is a 1163 3-bedroom layout, and first thing you will notice is this private foyer, which offers you space to do up cabinetries for your storage needs. And this is the only layout with this foyer which offers you extreme privacy. You can keep this door open for better ventilation and still provide you with that privacy that you need. So moving past the private foyer, the first thing you will see is your first common bedroom. So this common bedroom is situated away from the other 2 bedrooms. And we think that it is perfect for multi-generation living, where you can have 1 bedroom away from the other 2. Also, this will be a good place for you to have a full-size home office or even a hobby room. Take a look at the size over here. So the bedroom size here is definitely enough for you to put a queen size or even a king size bed. And we think that after putting in the bed, there is definitely enough space to put other bedroom furniture that you need. So moving past the first common bedroom, you will come into the living and dining. So this is the only layout in Blue Horizon that you will have a landscape format of the living and dining. And this whole space here spans across 6.5 meters. So you can imagine, after putting in the feature wall, the cabinetries, you have still so much space for a 8-seater dining and even a L-shaped sofa. And one bonus for you, check out this view. So when my owners moved in a few years ago, they did a full-on renovation, including changing all the aircon units, putting in brand new ceiling fans, and also all the carpentry cabinetries that you see in this unit. So over here we have a full-height floor-to-ceiling cabinet that is nicely done up with display top and also these mirror glass doors, which I think enhances this whole space, making the 6.5 meters look even wider. So next to living and dining, we'll come into this fully enclosed kitchen. First thing you will see is all brand new carpentries, top and bottom. You'll have massive storage space again. Alright, the countertop are brand new as well. All the appliances were changed. And you can see your space over here with the fridge, the cooking, and your washing are all very well spaced apart. And going through this glass door will bring you to the yard. You can also see that the yard is very bright and airy. So definitely enough airflow for drying your clothes. So moving past from the kitchen to the bedrooms, first you will see this fully renovated bathroom. I think what they did is definitely gorgeous. You will have your ambient lighting below your mirror. All the top-notch fittings you will see here. A standing shower, big windows. Take a look. Alright, coming into the second common room. This room is occupied by two of their children. Okay, so you can see that it fits very well, a bunk bed. Definitely, again, king and queen size, not a problem. But for them, they opt for a bunk bed and they have a very good study area over here. And this is one of the rooms that you can actually enjoy the view of the Clementi Woods Park. And right below us, we are also having a full-on pool view as well. So having this room and the window facing this direction and all the other rooms facing the other direction, when you open up the window, you will expect a very, very good cross ventilation as well. And this is definitely why we love older developments, right? With the wardrobe tuck at this side, you have a humongous space right in the middle for you to put any furniture that you need. So a queen size or a king size, again, no problem at all. And you have this full wall of cabinets that they have done with some lighting features over at your headboard. So this definitely feels very luxurious. And imagine waking up to this view. So you have a attached bathroom, which I would love to show you. They have done such a good job in the renovation. It looks totally luxurious. So for those who are not sure about the Blue Horizon location, let's take an overview of this location right now. Right across of us is the West Coast Park. So you'll also have the West Coast McDonald's smack right in front of you as well. And not just that, it is actually part of the Greater Southern Waterfront development that is going to happen in the years to come. So looking at this view, which is so beautiful right now, we expect that the view will be even better in the near future. Next off, Blue Horizon is also just adjacent to the NUS and Kent area. And further eastwards, we will go past the Maple Tree Business City. We will go to Harbourfront and Sentosa area. So definitely, I think that that is one of the developments that we will keep our eyes on. So looking over to the other side, we have the West Coast Plaza and of course the Clementi MRT area, which is a matured estate giving you all the amenities that you need. So this condo is connected to all those amenities by the long-standing shuttle service. And not to worry, if you are thinking about maintenance fee, you are paying less than $300 a month for all this convenience and all those facilities that you and your family get to enjoy. Alright, just a recap on the unit that you have just seen. This is a very rare layout, the only one that offers you a private foyer, a room that is away from the other two bedrooms, and of course the landscape layout of the living and dining. This development has a long-standing shuttle service to all the convenient amenities that you can enjoy, and it has a full-on sea view. So if you are keen to have a look at this physical unit, contact us now and we'll be happy to show you the place. This is Ron. Always a pleasure to show you from home to home.